Hey guys, welcome back. Excuse me for my voice. I am a little under the weather, but I wanted to show you guys how I put on my wig from start to finish using adhesive. So first thing you want to do is prep the skin, of course, and then use some type of heat protectant. The adhesive that I'm choosing to use is Bold Hold Active because I do sweat a lot. So anyway, I basically briefly showed you the construction of the wig. This is a wig that I made myself. I think I have a video somewhere on TikTok showing me creating that wig from start to finish. I do outline or pre-outline with some type of chalk pencil so that I don't pass the hairline of the wig, especially when I'm using some type of adhesive. And that way it helps the wig last longer, and I know where to put the adhesive without passing a specific line. You know, you don't have so much adhesive on your forehead. So after I'm done doing all of that, putting as many layers as I felt that I needed to put on, I take the skin protectant and a Q-tip, and I go right ahead and wipe off that white line. If I do need to go back afterwards to put a little bit more adhesive, I already have some skin protectant there. So that's my thinking process, and it works for me. So do what works for you and what's easy for you. I think for this wig, I ended up using 2 layers or doing 2 layers of the Bold Hold Active because I did want it to stay on for the entire week because I didn't want to have to keep putting a wig on, taking a wig off, putting a wig on. I didn't feel like doing that. So I tend to do this process every now and then, depending on what I'm doing for the week. So I am using cool air to blow dry the hairline. And as soon as I'm done doing that, I'm gonna go right ahead and tie it down with an elastic band for about 30 minutes to an hour. I think it was closer to an hour this time around, only because my daughter wanted to play and I wanted to play with her. So that's what I ended up doing. To help create a cute hairline, I am also using Bold Hold Lace Jelly. Just to do a little swoop de whoop. I didn't necessarily want baby hairs in this wig because I think the hairline is gorgeous. So on this particular wig, I don't think I wanted to do baby hairs. I just wanted something cute, something slick back. And I think it turned out pretty well. Definitely let me know down below what you guys think, how it turned out. I think it turned out gorgeous. This lace jelly is amazing. I also have another product by Bold Hold. I think it's called Bold Hold Liquid Gold. That's also really, really, really good. I honestly just like Bold Hold products. It's just bomb. So if you are looking for a good product that's not going to rip out your edges, definitely consider using Bold Hold. So anyway, like I said, I ended up tying it down for about an hour. Y'all, I know y'all see that hairline, right? I know you guys see that hairline. Gorgeous. I noticed in some areas it was a little white. I did not put any makeup underneath. So what I ended up using was some, to tint my lace, I used lace tint. And then I just dabbed it in the front of the hairline because that's really all it needed. And guys, y'all can't tell me this ain't my hair. What? Yes, it is growing from the scalp. Scalpiana, okay? I was Scalpiana in this wig. I loved how this wig turned out. It turned out gorgeous. I used mostly Bold Hold products. I wish I can find the Bold Hold lace tint, but I couldn't. I just used what I had on hand, and it did the job, and the hair turned out gorgeous. Go right ahead and let me know how you think I did, and I hope you watched the whole video. Bye!